And make sure to visit the WVU Extension table by the team store to grab everything you need to help us break a Guinness World Record. We'll be attempting the world's largest gardening lesson during tonight's game. The lesson will happen in the middle of the fourth inning, so be ready.
All right, so everybody should have a cucumber seed and some soil that you've picked up from WVU Extension, and we are going to plant your cucumbers right now. So I want you to take 2 to 3 of your cucumber seeds and put them down into your soil block, about 1/2 inch, and then take those home and put them into a sunny location. If you keep those well watered, in about 10 to 14 days, you are going to have a cucumber plant ready to transplant. Now you could put that out into the garden, or you can transplant that into a larger container, like that grow bag that you got from WVU Extension, or any sort of recycled materials that you get from around your house, like a milk jug. All you have to do is add drainage and make sure you sanitize it with a bleach water solution. Thanks for coming out tonight, everybody. All right. I've been doing Grow This for 4 or 5 years now, and I'm always entering their little Facebook contests, and I haven't won anything before, so I was really excited just to get some swag finally, and of course to finally meet a bunch of these people that I've been following on Facebook and talking with. So being here to just kind of jump in and be part of the crew and hand the seeds out was really amazing. Then it happened so fast. I got down there, they gave me the mic, they threw me up, and it just kind of naturally worked itself out. So that was really great.